So in this video, we'll look at an interesting exercise. Now I'm trying to give you a graph of y equals f prime of x, which is the derivative graph, or you can call it the graph of derivative. I would like to get more information about the original graph of y equals f of x based on the derivative graph. And let me give you an example now. So please look at the graph that I give you on the left-hand side. It is the graph of derivatives. I would like to emphasize this fact. And if I'm asking you this problem, where is f of x increasing? And let's think about it. If f prime is positive, we understand that the graph of f must be increasing, right? And you have to check the sign of f prime. So please look at this graph. You see the line, the purple line is always below the x-axis before the point 1, right? So the values of f prime is negative before 1. And between 1 and 3, is always positive because the purple line is staying above the x-axis. So the value of f prime is actually positive around the points there. And similarly, between 3 to 4, you see the line is below the x-axis, so which is negative. And after 4, the values of f prime is always positive. So I hope it gives you some hints on all the things that you want to get for the original graph of y equals f of x. For example, negative f prime means it's decreasing, and positive means increasing, then decrease, then increase. So it means for the current problem, where is f increasing? I think f is increasing for the second interval, which is from 1 to 3, or all the points after 4, you see? And where is f decreasing? And decreasing for the left interval from minus infinity to 1, or the interval which is the third interval from 3 to 4. And can you tell me also some other information like where are the local minimum, local maximum points? So you see the local maximum occurs when the f prime change sign from positive to negative. So let's look at this point. When x is 3, you can see what's happening. The sign is changing from positive to negative, right? For the f prime. So it means it happens when x is 3. And similarly, for local minimum, it occurs when the f prime changes sign from negative to positive. For example, please look at the point x equals 1. It changes from negative to positive. And also at the point x equals 4, it changes from negative to positive. So there are 2 points of local minimum for the original graph y equals f of x, which is the first point, x equals 1, and also the next point, which is x equals 4. So these are the basic information that you can obtain for the original graph of y equals f of x based on the graph of derivative.